Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your videos into GIF in CapCut. So after you finish your videos and if you want to change it into a GIF format, here's you can click on the resolution box at the top and you can see the current setting is video. You need to just click on GIF and just select the resolution or the quality. But if you're only on the CapCut free like I do, you can just use the standard quality, and after that you can click on the arrow up to start saving your video as GIF. So let's click on the arrow, and now the CapCut will exporting or saving your videos as GIF. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.